Got a nice 5.0 Mustang. You guys love those cars? We do too. We're gonna see what we can do for them. We'll show you guys the undercarriage in a minute. Beautiful Mustang. So we got for you guys today is a 2015 Ford Mustang. We weren't able to work on it, but I asked the customer and he said it's fine for us to record it. It's got long tube headers right there and right there. Then it goes into a 3-inch system all the way back with an X pipe in the middle. Then 3-inch all the way back, true dual, into a FLOWMASTER OUTLAW right there. And right there into 5-inch tips. Right there, black double wall. So we'll let you guys hear it without cats, without anything on it. Because you guys all request, we need to do stuff without cats. Well, in the state of Tennessee, we're not allowed to, so we'll just show you guys what it looks like right there. And how it sounds without cats. Go ahead. Man, oh man. Sounds much better. That's what happens when you open them up. Stop it right there again. Go ahead.